Single window system. The single window system is a trade facilitation idea. In simple words, it allows a user to get sufficient information from one source. As such, the implementation of a single window system enables international, cross-border, traders to submit regulatory documents at a single location and/or single entity. Such documents are typically customs declarations, applications for import/export permits, and other supporting documents such as certificates of origin and trading invoices. Concept. The main value proposition for having a single window for a country or economy is to increase the efficiency through time and cost savings for traders in their dealings with government authorities for obtaining the relevant clearance and permits for moving cargoes across national or economic borders. In a traditional pre-single window environment, traders may have had to contend with visits and dealings with multiple government agencies in multiple locations to obtain the necessary papers, permits, and clearances to complete their import or export processes. A common definition of the term single window is: the concept is recognized and promoted by several world organizations that are concerned with trade facilitation. Amongst these are the United Nations Economic Commission for Europe, UNECE, and its Center for Trade Facilitation and Electronic Business, UN/CEFACT, World Customs Organization, WCO, the United Nations Network of Experts for Paperless Trade and Transport in Asia and the Pacific, UNNEXT, CITPRO Limited of the United Kingdom, and the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASEAN. The diagram below illustrates an example of an implementation of a single window system within a country or economy. There are so many actors and procedures required for international trade it can result in high costs and long waits. The reason why international trade needs that relatively more than domestic trade, is the need for the inevitable controls of cross-border regulatory agencies CBRAS. These inevitable various controls can be carried out through the single window system, supported by information technology, and is an optimized process. You can understand single windows benefits from the below two diagrams, exemplifying trade with and without single window. Benefits. A single window service aims to deliver specific benefits to the main communities and stakeholders in cross-border trade.